Hello, Tony. Good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, good evening, Tony.
Good evening, teacher.
All right. So, Tony, today is we are going to do speaking activity, okay? Because last time what we had was we did reading and writing activity. So, for this evening, it will be speaking. Are you ready for the speaking activity?
Yes.
Good. All right. Since you are ready with our speaking activity, let me share to you my screen so we can now fully start with our activity this evening. Wait me for a while. Tony, can you see teachers?
Goodness.
Can you see my screen?
Goodness. Yes, I can see your screen.
Good. Okay, so let's have speaking activity. So here in the first activity here in speaking, I have here two pictures. Now I want you to tell me what are the differences that we can see in these two pictures. Picture 1 and picture 2. Go, Tony. Can you please tell me?
Yes.
Go. Picture 1.
Picture 1. Picture 1. The helicopter is red.
Okay.
But in picture 2, the helicopter is yellow.
Great. Okay, the colors of the helicopter are not the same. Next, Tony.
In picture 1, there's a frog on the helicopter. But in picture 2, there's a bird on the helicopter.
There's a bird. Very good. In picture 1, you can see a frog on the helicopter. But in picture 2, we see a bird. Next.
In picture 1, the man is wearing a hat. But in
Okay.
picture 2, the man isn't wearing a hat.
Okay, correct. In picture 1, the man or the pilot is wearing a hat, while in picture 2, it isn't. Next.
In picture 1, the t-shirt is red. But in picture 2, the t-shirt is yellow.
Okay, correct.
In picture 1, there's a girl. But in picture 2, there's a boy.
Okay, next.
What is next different?
Is there anything else that's differ from these pictures? Or
No.
that's all? All right, so
No.
here, how many differences that you can see here, Tony?
1, 2. Oh no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, very good. So there are 5 differences. So here are the example of the differences that we can see here. First is the first that are the color of the helicopter. The other one's red, but the second one is yellow. And then the clouds. Look at also the clouds, Tony. Look at the clouds.
Oh, yes.
Okay, what does it differ? The first picture, what can you see in the first picture?
First
About the clouds.
picture, there's are 2
There
clouds.
are 2 clouds.
But
Next.
in picture 2, there are 3 clouds.
Okay, very good. The number of clouds differ. Next, we have here the man or the pilot with hat and without hat. Next, we have the frog and the bird. And the last one is the girl and the boy playing with the kite. So those are the differences that we have here in this activity. Very good. Now here, Tony, I have here a question for you. Tony, where
Oh.
do you go at the weekend? Where do you go at the weekend, Tony?
I go to the zoo.
Okay, I'll go to the zoo. What can we see in the zoo, Tony? What can we see there?
I see some monkeys,
Monkeys. What else?
some giraffe,
Okay, what else?
some elephants.
Elephants. So, have you tried going to the zoo in Vietnam?
Yes,
Did you like it?
yes, I like.
What do you like about it? What did you like about it, Tony, when you went to the zoo in Vietnam? I like it
Because I can feed the elephants.
oh, you feed the elephants. What did you give to the elephants?
I give bananas to elephants.
Oh, you gave bananas to the elephants. Wow, it's so fun. Now here, Tony, do you have any picnic? Have you tried having a picnic?
No,
I know, but do you know what is a picnic?
yes,
Yes, what is picnic, Tony? What do you know about picnic? What do you do?
picnic.
When I say picnic, what do you do at the picnic? Do you sleep at the picnic?
No,
Oh, what do you do if we say picnic?
we going to the forest
Okay, and what do you do there?
and I eat
Eat
fruits.
fruits.
Eat
What else?
fruit.
Oh, very
Candies.
good. Oh, many different kinds of food. Now, Tony, if you want to go to a picnic, who do you want to go there with?
I'm go with my aunt,
And what else?
my uncle,
Uncle. Who else?
my grandma,
Oh, grandmother. Who else?
my grandpa,
Grandpa. Wow. Who else?
my dad,
Dad.
my mom,
Your mom.
and
And
me.
oh, 7. Do you want to go there? You are
Yeah,
7 in all going there to the picnic. Oh, if you will go to the picnic, of course, you're gonna eat food there. What are the foods that you want to bring during the picnic? What are the
I'm
foods?
give a sandwich,
I will bring sandwiches. What else?
sausages,
Sausages too. What else?
egg,
Egg. One more?
mm, uh,
Again? What was it? What was the last one?
a
It?
cake,
Cake. Oh, it's so yummy. Oh, you're gonna. And
and
there's still one more?
fruit.
Fruits. Yes. Okay, we love to eat fruits. Now here, Tony, which animal do you like the best in the zoo, Tony? I know
I
in the zoo there's so
like
many animals. But what
I
animals do you
like
like?
the monkeys best.
Why you chose the monkey?
The monkeys is brown
It's brown.
and
And
it's very funny.
it's funny. So that's the reason why you love the monkeys? Oh, Tony, aside from the monkeys, give me
And
one
the
story.
sound of the monkey,
Do you know of
the sound of the monkeys is
so good? Yeah, that's how monkeys do its
it's so
sound.
funny.
Yeah, it's so funny. So that's the reason why
And
you
I
love
give
to see monkeys.
banana.
You give bananas to the monkey. Oh, very good. You're so good. Okay, now here. Oh, this one. I have here this one, Tony. Sorry.
Story.
Yes.
I love story.
All right. So since you love stories, Tony, I want you to
Yay.
tell a story on what happened in these pictures. Let's do first. Let's do first number one. Look at Tony. I want you to look at picture one. Can you tell me what do you think happened in picture number one? Go. In picture one, look at picture
In
one, Tony.
picture one, the boy is play with two cars. And
Okay.
mommy is holding a cake.
Hmm. What else?
And the girl is behind the tree.
Okay, very good. So that's what happened in picture one. How about, can you tell me what happened in picture number two?
Picture number two, the girl is eating a cake.
Eating a cake. And then what else? What do you think happened in picture two?
And mother go inside the house.
Okay. All right. So in picture two, as you can see, the girl is eating the cake while mother is going inside the house. Okay. Look at here in picture two, Tony. Does the mother knows that the girl's eating the cake?
No,
No. Why do you think she doesn't know about it?
because she doesn't she doesn't
She doesn't.
she doesn't do this.
What's that? Do this. Because she
Do this.
doesn't. She doesn't look behind her. Oh, she wasn't looking at the table because the mother is going inside. Correct. Now here, Tony, how about in picture three? What happened now in picture three?
The girl is run.
Oh, the girl is running. Where do you think the girl's running?
Girl is running and eating cake.
Eating cake. Oh, where do you think the girl's going? The girl is going to?
The girl is going to behind the tree again.
Ah, behind the tree again. And what do you think is the girl doing behind the tree? She is?
Because she is
What is she doing behind the tree?
She is eating the cake.
Eating. Oh, she's hiding while eating the cake. Okay. How about picture four, Tony? What happened now in picture four?
The girl is behind the tree and eating the cake.
Okay.
The boy isn't play with the two cars now. And the mother doesn't know the girl eating a cake.
And look at the mother. Do you think the mother looks happy? Does she look happy?
No, she is angry.
Why do you think she is angry?
Because she see the cake
She saw the
is
cake.
no circle.
Oh, no circle. It's already lacking. Oh, there is some part of the cake that's missing. And here, why do you think the mother looks angry at the boy?
She don't know the girl is eating a cake.
Oh, she's angry at the boy, maybe because the mother thinks that she thinks that who ate the cake.
Yes.
Yeah. Who do you think the mother thinks who ate the cake? It's the mother didn't know that it was the girl who's eating. Who do you think the mother ate the cake? The mother thought that it's the
The
who?
mother thought,
Look at the
is
mother.
the boy eating a cake?
Yeah, very good. The mom is angry because he thought that the boy was the one who ate the cake. But who do you think ate the cake, Tony? Who's the real
The
one?
girl.
It's the girl. Very good. Yes, that's correct, Tony. So here in the picture, the mother didn't know that it was the girl who's eating the cake because the girl was hiding behind the tree, and what she saw is only the boy. So she looked so angry with the boy. Alright. Great work, Tony. Very good, because you were able to tell the story on what happened in the picture. Now here, find the different ones. Now let's do first the first set of pictures. Tony, what can you see in the first picture? What is this? The first picture we have. What's the first picture? This is?
This is a lemon.
Okay, next picture.
A pineapple.
Next.
A book.
Next.
And an orange.
Okay, which one do you think is different?
Is the book.
The book. Let's see if it's the book. Very good. Tony,
Yes.
why do you think the book is different? Why it's different?
Because the book is has many pages.
How about the other pictures?
The other picture don't have any page.
Why it doesn't have any page?
Because it's the fruit.
Very
and the book is
good.
the thing.
Oh, that makes it different. So here in the first picture, the book is different because the book is not a fruit, while the other pictures are examples of
Examples are
of a fruit. Oh, that makes it different. Okay, next, Tony. How about let's do to the second set of pictures. What is in the first picture, number 2?
a tomato. A tomato.
What else?
A phone.
Phone. Next.
A dress.
A dress and
a spider.
Okay, which one do you think is different?
I think the spider.
Okay, let's see if it's a spider. Very good. Tony,
Yes.
can you tell teacher, why do you think the spider is different?
Because the tomato. Because the spider is an animal.
Oh, is it an animal? The spider is an insect.
And
okay. And what else?
The dress, the phone, and the tomato is things.
Are
Or
Are
things.
things. Okay, what else? What makes it different aside from that?
Is the things.
Things? What else? What else? Yeah, you said already that because those are things. What else that makes the spider different from the others? What are the other reasons?
Things and animals.
Animals, and look at their color. Do they have the same color?
No.
No. What makes it different? Because
Because the tomato, the phone, and the dress is red. And the spider are red. And the
spider
spider is black.
okay.
Don't red.
It's not red, okay? Because the tomato, telephone, and dress are color red, while the spider isn't red. Its color, what's the color again?
It's black.
Very good. It's black. Okay, great work. Now, Tony, let's do the part 3 or number 3. What can you see in the first picture in number 3?
She is in the sea.
She is in the sea. What is she doing in the sea?
She is swimming.
Okay, how about picture 2?
She is riding a horse.
She's riding a horse. Next, picture 3.
She is swimming again, and
Swimming.
she is in the river.
Okay, and how about picture 4?
She is swimming again, and she is in the swimming pool.
All right, so we have here, which one, Tony, do you think it's different?
I think it's picture 2.
Oh, why do you think it's picture 2? Correct, picture 2 is different
Because picture 2, she is riding a bike.
So is it a bike?
She's riding
riding
a bike.
Is it a bike?
Huh?
Is it a bike? Look at the girl. What is the girl riding?
She is riding a horse.
A horse, not a bike. Okay. Well, the other girls are?
Other girls are swimming.
Okay, so that makes it different. Okay, very good. Next, how about picture 4, Tony? What can you see?
I think I can see the hippo.
Where's
on
the hippo?
the table.
On the table. Next, picture 2.
The kangaroo is on the table.
Kangaroo is on the table. 3.
The crocodile is on the table.
Crocodile's on the table. 4.
The rabbit is under the table.
Okay, the rabbit is under the table. Tony, which one do you think is different?
That is picture 4.
Why do you think picture 4 is different?
Because the hippo, the kangaroo, the crocodiles are on the table.
Very good. What?
But the rabbit is under the table.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Oh, very good. You did it great. You were able to tell why these things are different from the others. Okay, there you go, Tony. We finished the speaking activity. Now we will proceed to the unit 21. Okay, before we proceed, we finish unit 20. You enter again, Tony, to the Zoom. Okay, enter again and we'll have unit 21. Here we go.